In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see who viewed your Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. And first off, we need to open up Facebook app. Then we need to tap at our profile picture to head over to our Facebook profile page. Then tap at these three dots next to Edit Profile, and down below here you can easily find Turn on Professional Mode. So guys, first off we need to turn it on, so I'm gonna tap on it. Then tap at Turn On. And then it says that your profile is now in professional mode. We can tap at Continue, and then we can configure these professional mode settings. However, we can just head over to our Facebook profile. As you can see, that new button, which is called View Tools, has appeared here. We need to tap on it. Then we need to tap at See More Insights, and that's where we can easily find all the information about how many users we've reached with our content, how they engage with our content, and all other variety of parameters here. All you have to do to get that information here is just wait for a while, because these values are filled out after switching to a professional mode. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.